I was a comedian so as some ba a cab if you way a you feel talk. NDC TikTokers have a clash with John Mahama over the appointment of Professor Gyampo as Ghana Shapers, CEO. Also, Montia say Mahama and Sakina didn't call that day. I didn't call that party, own to be appointed. Oh, Mahama may move. Me want to watch the word, Amame. Our comment section. How Penyah block media. Mess was say need more. Obe like his video, no that my subscribe button, snap back click notification, latest updates. Now better the word with the Amame. Our comment section. Mess also baswa. No share for so be actually. Enti young question like about 2017-18 and it was alleged as a University of Ghana Legon lecturers ni one ma omo yes sex for grade just omo no o ye student oba obe so pe na se o ti asema no nko na se o wi mu a o any opa o ma bibia enye project work enye alien scrap a ontwele obe pass obe ma correct grade I say eba ye no Professor Gyampo then who was a political science lecturer was fingered in that. You finger Professor Gyampo in 2017-2018. By then it was allegation, but in 2019, and it came into a limelight. I said, "There be the basa." I didn't hear can who na one from me. Enye true. Emma then no BBC for crown make a documentary video on that. Emma in 2020, Professor Gyampo and many other lecturers who were into sex for grade were all suspended. Emma no BBC for make a documentary on that. Yes, sir. Professor Gyampo rise to fame in 2019 and 2020 for sex for grade. Over can and CMO and out of nowhere. Dr. Donfe, any Professor Gyampo echo PM TV3 for one-on-one interview between MPP and NDC debate. Omugo church the wide ewo. I remember say the AC call. Dr. Donfe was speaking in place for MPP. And Gyampo there already was a pro NDC man. He was also speaking in favor of NDC. But how is it going? Later, the video be up. Because video pop up no na obi a tire say enne o video no ma Dr. Donfe ene ko to share Professor Gyampo so but say na say so ente sa later ene say Dr. Donfe a make post e wo Facebook ana o tire say TV3 for me cry no me point ba ko fe na ma bre etimi kwa na me ko da man check on the internet but anope ya me ko adwuma ana mu say ene be go viral say video my encounter with Dr. Professor Gyampo no and mama posti enya bone babu posting there ade na manya yimu because party or no din can to share me so I know the leading to my encounter with him no that part no my edit ekwa free ho ade nti me me say mu posti ya but mu posti there I don't think I'm me posting ni na Ghana for hwe na o man kasa ejeje but the more ye there as obi e ho be kasa me na menye TV3 ade na me say adwuma trap eye fide na mo su me anase mo for example na tenas share ye anase eye dentia one just say Dr. Donfe ebebo Twitter for so bo yes I just say omo no omo ye jandam bi omo ye jandam bi any other and in the course of their argument and in their banter Dr. Donfe called Professor Gyampo edidem kwala ofran edidem kwala ofran Professor Gyampo edidem kwala ade achi ya Anna, Professor Gyampo and the lawyers issue press statement 10. Anna Omu demanded public apology from, Dr. Donfe. Just Dr. Donfe, I'm a retracted. No, I'm a patch. Ombe sue in the court. Statement in Eba Bontenia, Anna, former parliamentary candidate for Anlo constituency, Honorable Amelia Amedela. Also, Eba Facebook, I don't make you post. Anna Ochiremu say, share. Gyampo pa always say that. Gyampo okay me. Muamu de okay me. Sabra na mo university. You frustrated my life. Frustrating me because that person made the down rough upon me doggy. Man tears into no. Frustrating me tete me ama. Media near ya school. Okay. Who do be court? Who dey try court na hwe? Try court na hwe ade. Gyampo who dey try court na hwe? Lady di post we eba ya. Anna some of the lawyers, legal practitioners, anyone and every Professor Gyampo said, so you mistake, echo court where was saying that's because my best be Ghana have it dance, or no crowd to me anymore.
Because we now say intellectuals. Obaba kwe unity o. Sa notice omode ba 24 hours cry in New Year. 24 hours in New Year. Obaba kwe unity. Say you're trying 2 days, 3 days, bebano. You have no idea how many ladies will be willing to. Nante fia me no yet ya say ya kaso didi nkwala. University for no so mo yankwala. Yes, sometimes I don't blame you. No, o de pesca, bibia no wa solve asem no. Cases na ye didi ho. What me I say? But wo didi ho no, hwe say ugu obiso n'animase. Yeah. It's your client who is going to suffer. You use wisdom. As a lawyer, use wisdom. Nye case bia no akọ file publicly, no, you are rather exposing your client. There are so many people who didn't even listen to the show 2 days ago. But you, the lawyer, writing, what man be issue? See, I are discussing what show so. They are not even discussing Dr. Bonve. It's the lawyers writing, and I are discussing. And in your issue, lawyers are supposed to come in and then get the thing to be exploded. And to me, blaming lawyers, to begin with. But I just say, and a mama typical example that the Lumba case, is because lawyers wrote, exchange writings, and a media no sum. Now we tubo way. And did you get my point? And the way we should learn some lessons from Lumba's case. Now lawyers, yempe baby in fact. Now behind the scenes, yankele issue no. Anya sa one day per one lady unity. Yemaya who 2 days, 3 days, and do 1 week, what up your market and see. Now omon koso so omo ye tag of for legal tag of for.
And later, Anna Amake Abebrese, I say we TV, telecaster. When I say we TV, we show host. Or call on Facebook and make you post. I will tell them here. Ghana, ye serious. Ghana, ye nimere. Say Ghana, you maybe ye niya brepese ye chiro o minor. And can nipa or what documentary? Someone or documentary video say dear Dan say when dem kora sex for grade. Je malu school bomu doggy. Famaya just to give them grace. Just a nipa and no go as pedophile like this. Even BBC crown one records and the Hawaja body or Ghana Hanamo. And Ghana is serious country can you say nipa croy. Yaman appointed crowd because of a kaya. His Excellency Amano, Ghana Shippers, CEO, on a chief executive officer, or Honomo. It don't say, and can you cross Mahama Eman this kind of appointment to such a pedophile? And on the buy, now some of the NDC, as usual, Kevin Taylor on the Wadani would Bibia Wadani boy when this move. I do flu be Jimmy. I dream billing to or be defended. Or better than Kwasi Ashoba can quass him. Betty D. Aberesatem, Amakiaris, Betty D. Natem. But I know, and some of the NDC overhead no see the massa. I didn't go to Mina with transcendence for Montu Boas answer. I didn't a mistake and a Professor Gyampo Mahama and Sakeno.
NDC for grassroots for no. Me who say me DM I am mommy Professor why the other port na no see you no. Me ba Ghana me in the full plane. Sama me in the full plane. Na mate say obi ko ka say ye say onye port adwuma no ye na odi nkwala. Emma ye say maybe pie abonten. Say I would do nkwala and a man Sam say wa wo mem. NDC for nkwala no. Obeja defend ya munja defend wo mo wate. So monya bibi wo mo a mo konko defend. Asem na man e kan mo proof no dey na mo kwa defend afa ho. Ah? Asem a man e kan mo proof no. E bi di text message abeto abonten no. Me na me be defend. Na ono akasa wo ni mo mo. Okwetena port ho. Me na fofo ye adwuma wo port ho. They be with the problem. They be a problem. Me didn't create you. Me didn't create you. Just a nipa no uni me na me so many mo asa ma be defend. It must start na mo dey and we here. ade na munni mo mo bia nko defend papa no professor Wanwan mo bia nko defend no because the man dey ba no ukoye na obusiwu a this ni bia lawyer bia ma me you free ukoye na obi free esiwu a police kura o pesa ukono this ni bia mfa ukoye fire service obi amfa ukoye enti no se wonim se wode ya pa cho you free me die mo ayama papa no me minim that much me who say am the post and me who play mu keke asa mesra mo me di ye mo no eye se say me ko another fight mesra mo me di ye mo na ye ma me pa chaw prove a girls ready ba na asefo no yesra mo enkwala no mu susu no bi ka se o siwa me friend say siwa me tua court case camera to show ahwe me ka no crash.
To me, as a TikTok gender minister, a country recording, you so recording sexual and gender-based violence. No, any point say, oh yeah, Bema, nasa documented allegation of sexual assault. Any point say, Bema appointment say serving in this country because Bema say I have 2 appointments in NDC. They have documented allegation of sexual abuse. You require remember, say back na 19-year-old girl, back on so na a student. Or trauma dear university. Let's put politics aside and speak the truth to power for once. Why should we let them serve in this country? Why should we make them CEOs and what? Why should we even give them appointments? The young crowphobia or her. What's on a more defend this idea way? And I'm more young the politics. And I'm can't be near politicizing the Ghana. And then I'm my serious country for once. What is the information that we are putting it out there for our younger ones to come and make decision out of it? Said, yet me pedophile, and answer men with documented allegation of sexual abuse, yet me more appointments. So therefore, what are we doing to help fight sexual and gender violence against children? What you say? I am me party na yes I have to speak truth to power. I am for who defending. I was some defending. I was some who defending. And they say girls even sweep up on some because ampa university one or my victim of the man. Now me vampires on fan courts. Now go do quarter. A man what them first appoint way so say yes for great and I say mumpia one thing. Now me kasa and me testify. Now you strip off sa position now when you na Ghana ye serious country. Pedophile 4 million any more appointments. I do be only any allegation of sexual assault and so onyanya appointments. He say mo be some normalize in paying for mudi nkwada our Ghana has said we penny na so our voice na so we scar obetimi adi akora enko baby a aban bi so ba or besa no appointments into dear ne to protect or safeguard our girl child. Me dey be make say me feel for ma do so chen me mentina me eya no me niabre me NDC omo se me ma no wodin me kan ensem social media into me appointment and employment omo ma bi into say ne dey me asem say no kure no me kan because me munim say appointment and employment no ye can be dey agro keke ai into no say appointment we dey Mr. President pam wo no mu nkofie ai me na me se me nka bi na ya na still na be yan no den dey be guy abe yon to say asa waye o dey bro for e man no mo ye victim no so asa maye ba ko ne krampo no 19-year-old girl no kra ko nyase ono kra de wata mu chukun so ono kra de ne de no meka ba men kan say ne
Abusan for me chiachi mu na welcome to the anase. Eye no na me hu ni say amake abebrese akoye post to be concerning the appointment of Professor Gyampo to the Ghana Shippers Authority as a den being the CEO. And nipa bia pounds on here twa bɔ no mu di na tem se de mo pɛ ba no kura sempa e wasem nim se asem amake abebrese kan nyansa wo nyansa ewom yeso obi pɛ ohwefo dwuma afa dwuma pa na emom de se ohwefo ne se yenya ne ho asem bi nka. Professor Gyampo, you and I know baby a Professor Gyampo free ni baby a wababeduru obi undoubting competence. But in as much as we are learned, we are competent, your behavior, your attitude is the only thing I will need power which mark up to 100%. Bema would me a day sex a blackmailing for especially in students. He doesn't deserve to be appointed into this administration. And no kura na yaba akope mumien kanchere mo. Hwe ubetimi no obi aye namfu. Asebi nyo obi akra netimi wura hall man ye. Nyo adamfu bia netimi wura hall man ye. A basic knowledge. Eti enana NDC hwan ya akono na bibia ni and you have defense no. Mobile say no money bebra mu take decisions ni bebra man forecast and you think that the people are from the opposition side a bit to nanado 2016 after 2016 election and nanado why is so attractive no now country are not on tape because you have the defense or starting so appointing in the good administration more think was the only defense they will tell you is say are they not qualified. Are they not qualified? They not qualified. We are changing and we're joining. We are qualified. We're joining. We're running. Cross one ma. Sani we are sitting. Then this is why I can't. You can be making these mistakes and people will draw your attention, but you come back and fight. The money do matter, but the right time will come. The ordinary Ghanaian who is on. Oh yeah, from so I say on can, but I can't do a catch it. It been a 2 MPP. Why we be better? Me can't catch them. And this why we be better. NDC as a political party can you pass 6 million and overnight to Obama mono. Obia ntimi handed that position. Just a professor na or no name Malik videos about bontina yem pressing no for near the Obia or de or trade sex for max no. Sani panana modine kwa. Na so classroom na nkola for tepe won anim kura no oti o ndibia obinum ntimi kura ampase a. Such a person, he bet my hand him, CEO position. I'm going to be a man or Jimon. Eh, we are say I'm robber. I actually am not jelly pay. So a ban was so such as a dempa, sorry coffers, and function a basic knowledge. I'm robber was so as a crampon, and finding accountant was sorry. What a more dear, ye can't, you too mufua, Montinaho. Now, Mamma, we are responsible for appointments. It's sexless John Dramani Mahama. You can't crash it out. Would you make these mistakes? Yeah, ever cost you one day. You know, and now what to when you are bre kasa say nipa biara or beb de corruption bebo wa memumuno. You hang the person, and we are all behind you. We want you to deal with corruption. But if you are dealing with corruption, people with this past, and I will say I am appointing you in your government. Then you have a lot of question marks on your government. You have a lot of question marks on your government. Na mumu mpeno kore. Ghanaian politicians mumu mpeno kore. Obi kano kore chire na ya mo say eye mo assume say atenie. Ha who adenti na wo appoint Professor Gyampo. Professor Gyampo. Obi a ni leak videos ni na mabontin a. Masa mumu yen kanse mpi wate. Some mistakes now more than it's a chairman general say don't get here. Call your party to order. Call them to order. Call them to order. San no man na more your party ni embuamu. Hey, it boy you will be an call appointment. Ni say obi a 100 officer with this hand nyambran same way. Sorry tiama. Person will use sex. Yeah, massa. Wabra ye Ghana ye mra ni mukura chese teacher ni kura wuntimi no kola na as we die no ne nkura na da e di asem na amfa no masa nyo obi a na appoint ni office obetima ye wadamfo obetima ye wunuampo but because of the past nti ye no mabu ayemfa nhene nsa and asama ama bebre se kache muntie nyo obi a na mbefa ne se enemy muntie na mumu bia ma panso on he na mudidi na tem no me say mo na mutu ni sa no me say ehase say ya Ghana ha ehase say ya asasem no ye beka abo ase ye beka abo duru da na ye obi a twe ne ho na e na same jamfika the day of reckoning no no kufu ado ni aka ne no dada ni ti say the worship mu dada ni ti na ado prema ado gaga oh the Ghana for the year no It's excellent John Dramani Mahama na ye to obeti an almost 1 million no ono na start 1.7 million ababe me se moya careless am the 2 million deficit be kofi mo the 2 million deficit be kofi one day na me minim say we am my video we am my bebre be ba me DM ma be di atema be kika kwase asem ba me I don't mind ayemo na daachi e beti amo ti se mo de mo se mo beto na appointment this kind of appointment because was such on penny be ntina public office here the more say you can't say not anything about them. To me can be beyond to her and I'm a casam tramo or my anti-children is how. So go maybe a serious how has a wood dip on be to say ya was if walk they find it difficult to occupy positions. When I make a channel. Serious countries no so be yes sad a scandal be saying a Pia Bontia. Now safe walk to the 4th generation they struggle to occupy offices. Ubia near this row, but Ghana had ye no ubia What they a sex are blackmailing my school. Yes, on Kwanko CEO. And you people are happy insulting people who are criticizing that kind of appointment. You are not serious in this country.
So the why your mama our comment section. How you Penyah Block Media, Accra.